All right, so this one is interesting. The deep pullback to a measure level. It's very easy to understand. It's one of the most common happening structures that I have seen till today in my experience. Now, what happens is the market starts from a place. Let's take the example of the bullish movement first. All right, the market starts from a low, goes and make a higher high, comes back and make a higher low. All right, so this is our first higher low that has been created. All right, after this special higher low, what we did is I created this dotted red line, right? Why did I create it? Because the market will come again to test this higher low. Once it will test it again, it will create a pattern of a double bottom. Once a double bottom is created, because the market has been continuously making higher highs. These are higher highs, right? Because the market has been continuously making higher highs. Also, we get an extreme opportunity to take a long, keeping the lowest part or the lowest wick part of the nearest swing candle that is available, and it's a bullish trade. So I hope this you guys can understand that the deep pullback is also a very great opportunity for us to take a trade, for us to understand with the structure and the structure that I have created here without the candles it is, right? It will be really easy for you to understand if you will go on the line chart to measure these things. Try to be on the line chart and on the candle charts on and off whenever you guys are trading. It will help you a lot to take good trades. All right, so we understood that the double bottom is tested and we got a trade in the deep pullback. The same thing happens when the market is coming from top to down, creates a low, then goes up and creates a lower high, again goes down and creates a lower low. After creating a lower low, it will go up again. Don't get confused in this that maybe from this area it will come down. No, it will create a deep pullback. Most of time it happens that it creates a deep pullback, goes up to the last higher low, goes back to the last lower high it has created and tests that area. Once it tests that area, it's like a double top and then the market falls down, extreme down, extreme down. That's why I call it a very, very good trade. All right. So I think you guys have understood now. Let's move ahead and have a look on the next topic.